Welcome to HardReset.info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to disable caller ID on this device. If you wanna hide your number when you call into someone, in the open settings, and then scroll down and find here phone application. Then scroll down again. Here you will find your show my caller ID. Click on it. Wait a while. As you can see, I have enabled the show my caller ID feature, so I need to disable it. Click on it, and now when you will call someone, it will automatically hide your number, and the person you calling will see just only unknown number. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.